We have notifications and notification settings, so you can manage app notifications on your phone, which apps you want the notifications from or not. Show phone notifications on watch. So in here you can select show alerts when phone in use or when phone not in use, so that's up to your preference. Mute notifications on phone, so you will not be alerted about notifications on your phone, you will just receive them on your watch. Do not disturb mode, and then advanced settings, which include notification indicator. That's the orange little dot that appears on the left edge of the display to tell you that you have a notification or pending notifications. You want the notifications to be shown in detail. You want the notifications to turn on the display. Auto turn on watch notifications for new phone apps. So you can do all that here. Next up we have sound and vibration. So here you can set up the sound profile, whether you want it to vibrate, on mute, or on sound, and then what kind of vibration you want, short, long, light, or strong. And this one actually has a pretty strong vibration. Then there is call vibration, notification, system vibration, volume, ringtone, notification sound, and system sounds.